Hi everyone, today we'd like to talk about the exciting release of a series of cameras designed specially for a PoE network environment. The IB8367R, the IB8367RT, and the IB8338HR. First of all, let's see how these cameras are positioned within VIVOTEK's broad range of products. This series of cameras is positioned to enhance VIVOTEK's network surveillance solutions with built-in PoE extender functionality, allowing both PoE input and PoE output. As well as PoE functionality for the above bullet cameras, we are also pleased to offer an accessory which adds PoE extension function to these VIVOTEK dome cameras, thus completing VIVOTEK's PoE solution for indoor network surveillance. To create this powerful PoE extension capability, the IB8367R, IB8367RT, and IB8338HR are the first network cameras in the industry to be designed with an embedded PoE extender, allowing both PoE input and PoE output. This breakthrough in design and innovation will bring installers a new level of convenience when installing and preparing power supplies for network surveillance. Let's have a look at how VIVOTEK's IB8367R, IB8367RT, and IB8338HR solve a problem which our customers encounter all the time. For the rest of the presentation, we'll call these cameras the R-Series cameras. In the past, without VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras, if users wanted to build a surveillance system in an outdoor environment, a power supply, an injector, and an industrial management PoE switch were all required for each camera, and the topology would be complicated, as you can see on this page. Now, however, with VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras, no extra effort for power supply installation is required. In this outdoor environment, for example, apart from an industrial media converter for fiber and one PoE injector, only one RJ45 cable between each camera is required to provide the necessary power to every camera. VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras not only reduce the user's expense, but also make installation easier than ever before. On this page, we can see a camera system installed to monitor entranceways. In this application, users can also adopt VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras with the need for only one VIVOTEK PoE switch inside the building, the AWFED 0500-120, a 5-port 120-watt PoE switch, and only one RJ45 cable between each camera outside the building. To sum up, by adopting VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras and PoE solutions, the below expenses and installation efforts are now no longer necessary. An industrial-grade PoE switch costing about $280 to $350. A shelter built outside the building for the industrial-grade PoE switch. A power line and power source for the industrial-grade PoE switch. Labor costs and negotiation with government to apply for the outdoor power line installation. So time and money can be saved, allowing our customers to focus on their own business. Now let's take a look at the target applications for this series of cameras. VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras are designed for applications in large areas in which a power line would be a problem. Therefore, outdoor applications like outdoor entranceways and public surveillance are the key target markets. For indoor applications like factories and warehouses, VIVOTEK also offers a conduit box enclosing a 1-in 2-out PoE extender to install with its dome cameras. The conduit box seamlessly extends the functionality of dome-type cameras and equips them with PoE extender capability. On the following pages, we'll offer more detailed introduction for VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras. The general product specifications are as below. 30 frames per second at 1080p and 720p. A focal length of 2.8 to 12 mm with either manual or remote focus. Power for this series of cameras is over UPoE and 802.3 AT. PoE power can be supplied up to 100 meters. Here are the main product features and advantages for VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras. On VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras, dual RJ45 connectors are provided. One RJ45 connector provides PoE input to power the camera, while another RJ45 offers PoE output to provide power to the next camera. On the following page, we can see a simple comparison of specifications for VIVOTEK's first 3 R-series cameras. In terms of specifications, VIVOTEK provides a series of cameras equipped with PoE extender design. The IB8367R, IB8367RT, and IB8338HR offer from 720p to 1080p and from low-light support to WDR Pro support. Users can select the IB8338HR for WDR Pro support, or the IB8367R or IB8367RT for the demands of low-light environments. The IB8367RT also comes with a remote focus lens to allow focus adjustments from a distance. In the following pages, we would like to introduce the various configurations which can be applied across different scenarios for VIVOTEK's R-series cameras. In a scenario with one non-PoE switch, for example, at least 2 chains of IB8367 cameras can be deployed with only one VIVOTEK high-power PoE switch, the AW-FED-0500-120, and a total power budget of 120 watts. In this way, 3 IB8367s can be powered in a chain at the same time from another port of the same PoE switch. In another scenario with one non-PoE switch, a one-chain monitor system with 3 IB8367Rs can be deployed and powered by VIVOTEK's industrial-grade PoE injector, the AP-IHT-0100-060, which offers a power budget of 60 watts. Users can also apply many more configurations to meet the needs of various scenarios by employing different VIVOTEK PoE solutions, including VIVOTEK surveillance PoE switches. Lastly, this page describes the product information for VIVOTEK's IB8367R, IB8367RT, and IB8338HR PoE network cameras. To order VIVOTEK's R-series cameras or accessories, please refer to the corresponding part number for each model. Accessories include the AM311 pole mount kit and the AM411 corner mount kit. Now let's take a look at the range of PoE switches compatible with VIVOTEK R-series cameras. First, the VIVOTEK PoE switches below are all supported for use up to a 300 meter range with the IB8367R, IB8367RT, and IB8338HR cameras. For indoor use, VIVOTEK offers 2 5-port PoE switches, one at 65 watts and one at 120 watts. We also offer a 60-watt injector. For outdoor use, VIVOTEK offers 2 injectors for our clients to choose from. VIVOTEK's R-series cameras all comply with the 802.3 AT standard, so PSE of any brand may be used with our R-series cameras. However, please note the following guidelines. If any single 60-watt PSE is installed, then the extended range will be up to 300 meters for 3 VIVOTEK R-series cameras. If any single 30-watt PSE is installed, then its supported range will be limited to 200 meters for 2 VIVOTEK R-series cameras. Now let's review some questions which our users may have about the R-series cameras. Question 1. What is the maximum wattage that can be used? Well, the answer depends on the PSE's PoE power budget. 60-watt PSEs, which are most common in the market, can support a chain of at least 3 VIVOTEK R-series cameras. Question 2. What is the maximum distance over which PoE may be extended with VIVOTEK's R-series cameras? A PoE network employing VIVOTEK's R-series cameras may cover as much as 300 meters. Each camera may be spaced up to 100 meters from the previous camera on the network. Question 3. If a user wanted to install a similar PoE network without using VIVOTEK R-Series cameras, what options might they have, and would they save on cost in doing so? Users may employ several PoE extenders to achieve the same PoE network without adopting VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras. However, such systems are actually more expensive than a system which employed VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras. See the next page for details. Without R-Series cameras and their embedded PoE extender functionality, users must purchase an extra PoE extender, such as one offered by Veracity, at an MSRP of $299 per extender. Therefore, to complete a 300-meter network installation requiring 3 units of PoE extenders, an extra cost of $897 is required. So VIVOTEK's R-Series cameras not only simplify the PoE system installation, but also save our users money. Thanks for watching this introduction to VIVOTEK's R-Series PoE cameras. For more information, please check out our website.